We're about 4 minutes away. I got my girl some beautiful roses here when I pull up on her. Definitely a little bit nervous. We're gonna go to Topgolf. It's gonna be a great time.
Oh,
Courtney, I got you some flowers.
Thank you.
You know I had to.
I gotta adjust this.
Go for it. You're all good.
So, future references, if you ever date another big girl.
I got you. Put it all the way back.
All the way back.
I got you. I got you. You cool with going to Topgolf?
Okay.
You good with that?
Yeah, I've never been. The one that's downtown.
Yeah.
Didn't you just list it for sale?
Well, I don't know. You live around here.
These are pretty. Thank you.
I know. I had it. You're pretty. Those are pretty, so I didn't do that. You know what I mean?
Thank you.
So you like fast cars?
Not at all.
Not at all?
No.
What's the fastest car you ever been in? You don't know? So you don't like going fast?
Smoke this guy.
You want me to? Hey, shit, I will. You let me know what you need. I got you.
Honestly, it's not the car that I don't like. I just am scared to like
Die
in a car. Yes,
Yeah,
my biggest
yeah.
fears. And I got 3 kids, so none of them have a dad.
You know, that's why I'm here today.
Take them out
You think
there.
I look good? Like, rate me on a scale of 1 to 10 real
Oh my
quick.
God, you're a 10.
I'm a 10?
Yeah. You're so handsome.
Thank you, I
All jokes aside,
appreciate it.
Very, very handsome.
Thank you. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
that. You have very beautiful eyes.
Thank you. So
Of course. Thank you.
I'm sure you get that all the time.
Nah, that's actually the most memorable time right here. You just saying it now. Wait, so how old are you?
I'm old enough to be your mom.
I don't believe it.
34.
Okay, I'm 32.
No, you're not. Going to jail.
No, you ain't. I'm over 18. I like older women anyways. Right quick?
Yep, quick. My eyes are closed.
Were they? Are you scared of it?
You know, like when you post a picture and it just starts
What'd you post?
a picture of me in this outfit.
And what are people saying? Oh, you look good?
No, this one kid just messaged me like, where you been?
He trying to get at my girl.
Yeah.
Send him my Instagram. I'll handle him. All right, can I do it one more time? Don't worry, you can hold my hand. I'll keep you safe.
Oh my God.
I had to. It actually wasn't even an option. All right, I'm done. I pinky promise.
Kiss it.
Whoa, that was quick.
Press it together. Do you not know how to do a pinky promise?
I guess not. I haven't really ever been with an experienced girl before, you know what I mean?
You kiss it, and then you press them together.
Aw,
Aww.
that's adorable.
You better go the way that doesn't have speed bumps, or let me walk down the street.
No. It's not you. It's not you. It does this because cars on lowered suspension. Could have put Courtney Webster on there. Soon to be.
Is there not a next one?
Date of birth,
What's your date of birth?
February 3rd, 1992.
92.
You're an Aquarius.
Yeah. What does that mean? Wait, hold on. Babe, what does that mean? What does that mean?
I have no clue what I'm doing, so.
All right, put the golf club there so the ball comes out. All right, you put that on the white thing. You hold it, look, ready? Put your left pointer finger and your right pinky finger together like that.
Hold on.
All right, now, this is serious shit right here. It's serious shit. Line up like that. All right, then you wanna go back just like that, and then you go forward. All right, now try it all at once. Let's see it. Let's go. That's what I can see.
This is the best night of my life.
Oh, I believe it. Let's get some strength in this one. Yep.
Oh, I don't think I'm gonna hit it if I bring them all the way back.
Sometimes you gotta bring it all the way back. All right, come on now.
Got it.
Thanks.
Safe away.
Thanks. Take a step closer. A little step closer. Yep, there it is. Now bring it back. More. There, look, there we go. There we go. Good job, babe. Good stuff.
I love you.
Whoa. All right, move a little quick here. Let's shake the house here.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I've been shaving for a long time.
Sorry to interrupt the video, but today's video is sponsored by 85 Energy Drink. So normally I get no sleep from my day-to-day basis. I'm either editing videos, working on cars, or something. It's always a late night, so it's a struggle getting up in the morning. And I have an energy drink addiction, and I've tried every single energy drink that they have at the gas station. But I'm not even gonna lie to you, the E85 energy drink is like it's almost like a grape type of vibe. That's what I would go with, because I know you guys have probably seen these on your TikTok. You see them in the ads and you're like, yo, it's an energy drink called E85. Wonder what it tastes like. It's actually good. I'm not lying to you. So make sure to go in the description and click my link to save yourself 10% off your first 12 pack of E85 energy drinks. And the entire company is actually ran by car enthusiasts. So if you like energy drinks, you might as well support car enthusiasts as well. They sent us a couple cases of these and they were gone within like a week, legit. So this stuff is actually fire. It has 200 milligrams of caffeine in it. It gets me through the day. I have one every morning. Thank you for 85 energy drink for sponsoring today's video.
There we, yep, that was it actually. That was actually it. We just shook the house. We did. Okay, maybe not as much as I thought. You did better than me though. I can't really say nothing. Maybe actually you gotta coach me next time. All right, what do I do? You're getting close to my club.
Can I touch your club?
Absolutely.
Get over there.
Absolutely.
You got it? You like it?
Yeah, I do.
It's alright?
Yep.
Okay.
Now what?
You just gotta try your best to just hit it.
Wow. Did you have a good time tonight?
Yeah, it was great.
I know. So, what's the chances of us getting a second date in?
We can do that. When do you want to go?
I don't know. I gotta think of something nice. I'll take you somewhere nicer than Top Golf next time.
This was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah, and I beat your ass.
No. Okay, now she's lying. Now she's lying. Man, this is nice. I'm not gonna lie. This is why I need you in my life all the time. Right here. So when I'm drunk at a bar, I can just do this.
Yeah.
Just like that. I gotta ride back. Fuck Uber. I got this. This is fucking luxury. I just falling. All right, Courtney. It was a pleasure.
It was fun.
Till next time.
All right, have a good night.
All right. Bye, guys.
My plate, no time to debate. I've been walking out of space, you really can relate. IDK, I've been all across the state. I'm running like a
Oh my God, I almost dropped the camera. We just pulled to MIR. We got Stefan and his LS 135 racing. What's it, third in the world? It's the blue E92 that's gonna set world records. It has a TH400, it's an N54, and I'm gonna try to race too. Not any of them. Just brought the 340 out to the lanes, about to run it again. So last time I was at the track, I was on 22 pounds, and now Chris turned it up to 30. So they kick you out if you don't have a cage for a car that goes over 135 miles an hour. And I tried 131 on 22 pounds. So I'm gonna stop at the 8th mile mark so that way I don't get kicked out. It's weird going to the 8th because I've never really done the 8th mile run like that. That felt pretty good, but I know there's a way you can do like some sort of calculation to see what you would have ran in the quarter mile, but I just didn't want to hit over 135 and get kicked out. I will do it at the end of the night though. Absolutely. So even by letting off at the 8th mile, I ran an 11.3. So this car is definitely a 10-second car.
I think you probably got like a 10.8 at least. Did it leave?
Yes.
Good?
Yes. Everything felt perfect. So this is gonna be my final run of the night. I only have enough time for 2 because they're closing it down. This one I'm just gonna send it. It's the last run of the night anyway, so they kick me out, I'm really hoping to break into the 10s. That'll be my first time ever in my life breaking 10s. My God, boys. My man's, I blew his doors off. Dog, that shit was so, oh my God, that was the fastest pull. That was the fastest pull I've ever felt from this car. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. A 10.8. We just hit a 10.8 in this car at 134 miles an hour, so we're not even kicked out. That bitch going right on the fridge.
Hey, let me see some.
Hey, did you see it?
10-second Wyatt. He finally matched
10-second Wyatt.
10-second Wyatt in real life and in his car. You feel me?
Hey, I made that boy go from the Dodge dealership. He went straight to BMW tomorrow.
Oh, let him know something.
I did.
Yo, we out here running PBs, boy.
Back to back. You want an 8.7? 7?
Let's go, boy. You're putting these on the fridge.
I'm framing that.
My man, he's becoming a drag racer.
Yeah, you know me. All right, so Karan and Stefan are getting some test runs in. Karan just pulled up 67, 66 top mount and 54, fast as shit. So they're getting some test runs in before they actually race each other for the night. Getting ready to run the two cars. How we feeling, Stefan?
Listen, I'm trying to go live on the IG for the boys. Well, my phone's on 2, my other phone's on 3. But if you add it up, that's 23. So I'm gonna make something happen. I think I lost fuel pressure.
Yeah, something.
Because that was the hardest the car's ever launched.
For real?
Not
too quick or something?
Oh, yeah.
That's what, because I pointed and he was on it, I pointed to and it sounded like you were on it, so I was like, all right.
We also have a very long day tomorrow.
It's all good though, my car fucked up. Huh? I didn't even make it down the track.
That blue 335 did a 898 at 157 miles an hour. That's an M54 car. That's insane.